So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Then again 5 divided by 5 is equal to also 1. Right? Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one division, and here one division, and here one division. And all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Then divide 5, right? Now 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 upon 5. Divide 5. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 1 upon 5 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Right? So the correct answer is 1 upon 25. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer.